Your 3.8 liter Buick Lucerne all of a sudden starts running very rough and does not have a lot of power, and you've shifted it into neutral to see if it's the transmission, and you still feel vibration and you have poor idling and poor power, you may have a blinking check engine light, then you may have a air pump that needs to be replaced. I have already replaced my map sensor over here, and I have already replaced my ignition control module, which went bad right here underneath these coils. And I am getting a certain code, P02431. And if you're getting that code, that is likely this problem. So I'm going to show you how to remove it. If you are getting a code P2431 code, or secondary air system, one likely cause could be your secondary air pump right here. We're going to go ahead and get started on replacing this one. Start by removing these vacuum hoses. Squeeze the top and bottom of this ring like that, and then pull straight off. You'll probably want to do the same thing with this one. Squeeze, and then straight off. We'll remove that hose. Go ahead and unplug this power wire here. Press down on this tab and pull. Next, remove this vacuum hose. Press together and pull. You might need to wiggle it. Next, remove this vacuum hose. Press together and pull. You might need to wiggle it. All right, we've removed that. We're just going to put it right up there. Now there is a mounting bracket right here that this is all resting in. All right, so then you're going to have three 10mm bolts that are holding these little dampers on here, here, and there. And you're going to need to go from underneath. You'll probably want to use a deeper socket or a 10mm ratcheting wrench like this. And you're just going to need to go from underneath, feed it around, and unscrew. While you are trying to undo these, you will notice that these will spin. So use a pair of pliers to grasp that firmly right there, and then you'll be able to undo these, because these will just spin. Otherwise, they'll just spin as you're trying to undo the nut. Once you get the second one out, you should be able to lift up. You're going to need to pop this little plug loose from its clip right there. It just slides forward and off of that. And then you should be able to lift up and pull it free from this side, because it's open over here. And then it should come up and out. This is what I think goes bad, is the motor inside. I mean, motors that have bushings, bearings, eventually they're gonna just seize up. So that's probably what happened to this. So that's how you remove it. The installation is just the reverse. Just slide this back in and drop the other two dampers back into their holes and screw them back on, plug everything back in. Should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe if you have any questions. Let me know. Thanks.